make shotgun shells, and we have everything to do that, so stay tuned. Okay, so today we're using AA.
There we go.
I'm gonna turn the dial on. Okay, so
Sorry.
we're using those, and then Quay Buster, ounce and an eighth, I think. Yeah, ounce and an eighth watts. 7.5 shot, and then for what's that called? Anyway, and then we're using American Select powder. So, yeah. So the first thing you need to do is see, because this station knocks the primer out and then resizes the brass. So, Rico, is it in focus? Focus down here. Not on me. See? And then it knocks the primer out and resizes the brass. And we take primers. Oh yeah, I forgot to say what primers we're using. So we're using Remington primers. So then this little station, you drop the primer down in, and you set the empty hull on, and then that puts the primer in the bottom. Then you come over to this station, which drops your shot and powder, which you press the charge bar and then la-di-da. Some people know, some people won't. But after you push the handle down, and then you slide the charge bar over, and it drops powder. Then you grab your wad and you slide it up there, and you push it down, and then you slide the charge bar over again, and you drop shot. And then you come over to this station. Can you even see it? Kinda. And it does a half crimp, like so. And then this is the final stage where it finally is done. So that is what the shell looks like after it's done. And then you come over here to your handy dandy shell stacker, and you throw it on there, and then you do it again like this. Has there tape on it? But you put it in the first station, knocks the primer out, resizes the brass, and then when it comes out, you take your primer and you set it down in here, like so. You set your hull on, and then you knock the primer in. Bring this down, slide the charge bar over. So then put the water on, take it down, slide the charge bar over again, half crimp, and the last crimp. And there you go. There's a loaded shotgun shell. No pressure. Okay, so now I'm going to show you just like a regular or fast pace, I don't know. So let's do it. So first you grab this would be like a regular pace that you would go at, and then it still does everything great. So now, Tegan, you want to do like a competition where we see who can reload faster?
Yeah.
Okay. This might mine. Okay, Tegan, now it's your turn. You do it.
I haven't done it in forever, so do not expect me to be good.
I know, they get stuck up in there for some reason. Man, it was...
No! What the?
No, you're fine.
I already screwed up, didn't I?
No.
Oh. Wait, was that the way you're supposed to do it? I haven't done it in forever.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Don't lose primers, though. Those things are like gold right now.
I know.
No, don't forget the wad now. The wad.
I know, I'm trying to put it in. I forgot how.
You should have been watching to the camera. Watch.
Dang it! I haven't done this in forever. ever do a...
Yeah.
I thought so. I think I got stuck. I haven't done this in forever.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. What'd I do?
I was saying for camera angle. There you go. You think you can do it fast now? Because I haven't reloaded in like a month.
Yeah.
I was going to.
I haven't done it forever.
Okay.
Alright, you go.
Okay. I was gonna say let us know down in the comments.
But we can't comment.
Yeah, they can't comment because the comments are disabled. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. Tell me when to go.
Go.
I want you to come off. Yeah. Yeah, that's done. And I didn't mess it up either.
Alright.
We gotta have some kind of a competition just to make stuff fun. Otherwise, this video would be pretty boring.
Three, two.
Oh, yeah, you put the primer in before.
Did I really?
No.
Yeah, I did. Is that smart?
Interference.
How's that?
No, me.
Interference?
Me. Seems like you always get the charge bar problems. I don't know who won. I think I won.
Yeah, he probably won.
I don't know. I think I did. I don't know. We will see it when we play back the footage. Okay, now that that's done, let's go film a vlog or something for the other channel. If you guys haven't checked it out, it's and we just pretty much do whatever comes to mind during the day. So like the other day, I stapled up these wires down because we had a garage door head because the old one didn't like to work anymore. So we got one of those, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post new videos, and we will catch you guys on the next one.